Edo 2020. PDP don't carry campaign go different wards for Akoko-Edo local government area. The people of Ibilo and Okpe, where they Akoko-Edo local government area for Edo State, don't assure Edo State's governor, where be PDP governorship candidate, Godwin Obaseki, say them go support am gidigba, and them talk say them go vote for him for September 19 governorship election to make sure say him return for second term. The people talk this one where Governor Obaseki and him campaign train enter Ibilo and Okpe town, as they happy say the way can see governor don't carry Deve enter their area. Obaseki apologize give Okpe people as he follow them talk, say make them no vex for their roads wey don bad for over 12 years now. Say but him go do am for them once they vote for him to return for second term.
I apologize on behalf of the government of the state, for the state of this road. Because I know that for as this road has been like this for more than 12 years. So I apologize. But apology is not enough. I now make a commitment to you. Not because of this election. Not because of this election. That this road, I will build it. Just to say, I have already done the design for the road. Because I know how important it is.
Chairman for Edo PDP Campaign Council, Dan Obi, and other party leaders can't join their voice together as them tell the people to vote for Obaseki so that they go fit carry Deve enter their area.
I took pains to listen to the welcome address presented by Doctor on behalf of the good people of this world. From what I've seen since yesterday, in the course of our visit, and even today, listening to this address alone, you will agree with me that the solutions to Edo State problems cannot be addressed with simple agenda. You know the problems we are facing today are spillover problems inherited by the governor from previous administration.
The Edo people, we are excited. Look at the excitement. Look at the welcoming. Look at how happy the children are lying on the streets. Women holding their body, running even. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. I've never seen Edo like this. 16 years I've been campaigning, crisscrossing across Edo State. What I'm seeing now, it is only God that can win. God will win.
I said it's very wonderful. Because if I want to really describe what he's doing, it will take me hours to actually say what he's doing and what he has done. But I don't have a word to satisfy what he has done and what he's doing.
It's a governor that, come what may, come sun, come rain, is going to win. Because I am a retired principal. I just retired I retired June. And I started receiving my pension July. They are not owing me. I give God the glory. I believe that Obaseki is coming back.
In the whole Ward 4, even before now, we all concluded that we are going to vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki. So we will vote for him.
We are here supporting Governor Obaseki because of our unborn children. As we gathered here to confirm his re-election.
The campaign train still carry waka go the palace of Olokbe of Okpe. Go tell am say them dey around and still seek for a royal blessing. This one are the ogbonge informate who don't carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say PDP don't carry campaign go Akoko-Edo local government area as them promise to carry Deve enter the area. Make una sabi say na TMC TV 9 carry this ogbonge update come give una. And my name na Edogogo Edoleyi.